This is the worst we've seen, my goodness. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, there is metal in the pan. Do you want to see what your Mercedes-Benz looks like inside? Is it the worst we've seen? Oh yeah. Holy moly, look at that. Planetary gear set. I don't know if you can see those gears, but they've actually been taken out. Officially, the worst 725 Mercedes-Benz box I've seen. Hey guys, welcome back. Just going for a walk through the workshop quickly, see what we've got in here. Now we've got an interesting one today. Customer called us and said we've got a G63 AMG Mercedes-Benz. Apparently it's the worst he's ever seen. He reckons it's full of metal. So we're gonna strip this down and see if it is actually the worst he's ever seen. I haven't seen one of the 725 Mercedes-Benz G63s that bad. So let's see if it is actually that bad. And we've got the crew here. Look, everyone's just kind of just standing here. What's going on here? One, say hello.
Hello.
What do you got on the bench?
We have an 8HP 65A.
8 HP 65 out of an Audi Q7. One's just rebuilding it now, just getting that all finished and assembled now. So you're ready to start assembling now. All the clutch packs have been assembled. Those ones have been assembled. That's it. Converter's been done. Valve body's been rebuilt. All right, so that's the next thing you need to do is after you've reassembled, after one reassembles that box, he's gonna rebuild the valve body. What do we got on this one here? We've got a Hyundai DCT that's off to the paint section now to get painted, but we'll see I'll show you what a painted one looks like. It's another Hyundai DCT and another Hyundai DCT. So the Hyundai DCTs, when we do these transmissions, we replace the dual clutch. We obviously pull apart the transmission. We change what needs to be changed inside. Then we replace a brand new dual clutch. We replace the clutch actuator and the gear actuator. These have to be replaced on all Hyundai DCTs. Brad, say hello, Brad. Brad's doing an AL4 DPO. This is an AL4 from a Renault, Peugeot, Citroen, but this one's actually out of a Renault Kangoo. So it's a DPO 4-speed. Old school box, because it's still got bands. Look at that, it's got a band. So this is what we're here to see though. So this is a 725 Mercedes-Benz box. Bill, say hello.
Hi everyone.
We will strip down that converter later as well. So this is out of a Mercedes-Benz G63, but they're pretty much in any new modern day car. It's a 9-speed Mercedes-Benz 725 transmission. So apparently, customer says this is the worst he's seen with metal in the box.
Let's find out, eh?
Let's find out if it's got metal in the box. What do you think? I don't see these fail too much unless it's had a hard time. I don't see these 725s mechanically fail like that. Looks very clean. So this will be interesting to see if it's that bad or what we're even talking about. Or maybe, you know what? Maybe I misheard. That could have happened too. But anyway, it's a good video because you're going to get a G63 AMG 725 Mercedes-Benz stripped down. I don't think there's going to be many on YouTube that will be having this kind of transmission stripped down. So if you want to see what your Mercedes-Benz looks like inside, here you go. Is there any metal in the pan? Ooh. Oh, there is metal in the pan.
Wow.
All right. This is going to be interesting to see where this has come from.
Let's remove the valve body.
All right, let's have a look.
Oh,
there is metal in this box.
Look at that.
Holy moly. Is it the worst we've seen?
Yes.
Oh yeah. This is the worst we've seen. My goodness gracious. Look at this.
It's pretty bad.
Wow, wow, wow. This customer was right. And you know what? My hearing was right too. So I did hear him when he said there was full of metal. I wasn't making that up.
All right.
Wow, wow, wow.
Okay, let's have a look here.
This would have shorted. You're going to be careful with these kind of things too, because when you see metal in the box like this, especially in the Megatronic like that, remember this is a computer, yeah? So metal shorts out computers, clearly. So I don't have a car, we don't have the car here to test. This transmission came from interstate, from another workshop in another state. So I hope it hasn't shorted this Megatronic out. But we're going to see why the metal's actually coming in here.
If you have a look at this, look at this, comp. Bring the camera across.
Oh my goodness gracious, look at that. Wow, 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 wow.
Okay.
Now we're going to see what's actually blown up. Well, I was kind of hoping we were going to have a blow up in this transmission for everyone watching. Do you reckon you can sell this silver? Hey, look at that. I've got full silver here.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, you can actually clean that up and then go to the silver get people and say, look, I'll give it to you. $5 a gram.
So where's this metal coming from?
Torque converter, you reckon, maybe?
Maybe.
Well, if it's a torque converter, it's good because we're going to strip open the torque converter anyway and see what's going on. Also guys, so if you like these videos, subscribe to this channel because we're going to have some pretty cool content going on. And even if you want to leave a comment below and see what, let us know what you want us to film in terms of content. We do anything transmission wise. If you want to see converters stripped down, if you want to see particular transmissions stripped down, we'll see what we've got coming in that week. So you leave me a list of comments and let me know what you want us to film or what content you're actually interested in. It could be just of us talking, but I don't think that's what you want to see. So let us know. I've got my coffee here, so we'll continue on. But we've had a look at this box now.
Let's have a look. There's something wrong here.
Ready? Do you want to come have a look? Bill reckons there's something wrong here.
Okay. Push the cameras down here.
Oh,
look at this.
Here we go.
It's all busted up.
Look at that. Look at that drum. How the hell did that happen?
Much power.
You reckon too much power?
Let's have a look. The place Planetary's gone.
Seized up.
Let's have a look.
Do you reckon that's where the metal's coming from then?
Let's just tap this out.
All right,
There we go.
There you go. There you go. Planetary gear set's gone, so it wasn't the converter at all. Yeah. Holy moly, look at that. Can you see that in there, in the gears there? Planetary gear set, I don't know if you can see those gears, but they've actually been, look at that, I don't know if you can see it, can you see that? All right, you can see those gears there, they've been taken out. Look at this, Planetary gear set completely, they're not even spinning. Look, I'm trying to spin that as hard as I can. So the Planetary gear set is completely blown up. Worst you've seen?
Yes.
Worst I've seen.
Yeah, this is bad.
This is officially the worst 725 Mercedes-Benz box I've seen. Now I see AMGs all the time, especially the 63 AMGs. Their front diffs go because of too much power and always blow up the front diffs. But have I seen a Planetary gear set go? Never. This is bad. How the hell are we going to fix this one now? This is how the hell are we going to fix this? Where am I going to find a Planetary gear set from? Just so you know, Planetary gear sets aren't exactly an easy part to find. We can do everything else. So now, this is why we do what we do. Now we're going to specialize in doing what we do and getting this box back to working. All right, so we're going to go now. Let's go see if Tony's ready to do the... Hey, Tony, what are you doing? Oh, I know you're doing converters. Do you have time to strip down a Mercedes-Benz converter? No, do you have time to do it?
You want me to cut one open?
Yeah, can you cut it open for me? No, I've got one. No, I'm saying I've got one there.
Yeah, that's that one.
Can I go get it for you and I'll give it to you, and can we strip it down and see what's going on with it?
Yeah.
All right, done. All right. Gonna go take this to Tony to go get stripped down and see what's going on. Hey Blair, you all right? Why? Huh? You're pissed off? He's a grumpy old bastard. Why are you pissed off? That guy. All right. Tony, this is a heavy bloody converter.
They are those ones.
All right.
That
So this box is full of metal. So if you guys want to see what a torque converter looks like, here's your chance now.
So it's cut open.
Let's see. Oh, that looks fine. Considering all the metal that was in that transmission, so that's all the clutches in here. Have a look at that. Do you see the clutches? So this is what your 725 9-speed Mercedes-Benz converter looks like. It's got a captive clutch inside the converter. So this is a transmission in itself. But considering all the metal that was in that box, that oil is clean.
Yeah, it's not too bad. The only way to find the clutch, you've got to machine the heads off.
Yeah.
To get the piston off.
Yeah,
to see if there's any damage under there, but this all looks fine here.
Yeah.
That's good. Third one is fine. Okay, so this one's basically in pretty good considering all the metal.
That's sweet. All right. Well, look, we're going to start pulling apart those clutches anyway. I'll leave that to Tony because he's obviously got other work to do.
Yeah.
But it doesn't look too bad. We're going to have to pull it apart now anyway because of the metal that we saw in the box regardless. And then this is going to get a full rebuild on the torque converter as well.
We machine the heads off here and then we put a special kit to bolt them back in.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Antonio. All right. So there you have it. That was a 725 Mercedes-Benz AMG 63, completely stripped down. Was it the worst we've seen? Yep, that's the worst. So I haven't seen a Planetary gear set blow up like that before. Look at that. As soon as I walk away for a bit to come and start filming, more cars just start rocking up. So yeah, so we've got that done now. So now we're going to go and try to attempt to see how we're going to get a Planetary gear set. Maybe we'll have a look, see if we've got any transmissions here on the shelf. Otherwise, I'm going to have to start getting those parts and then we'll go from there and start rebuilding it. Like I said, let us know if you do want a part 2. I'm only going to do a part 2 if you guys actually tell me that you want a part 2 to see the transmission being rebuilt. Blair, how are you? You good now? As long as Blair's good now, we're good now. All right, guys, thank you.